Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well today. Thank you for being here. Take a deep breath, relax for a moment, and let your mind stay open. What you are about to hear may change the way you think about your life, your goals, and your English learning journey. And if anything in this video inspires you, motivates you, or makes you feel stronger, please leave a comment or like the video, not for me, but as a promise to yourself that you are ready to grow. Today, I want to talk to you about something that can change everything. It's not money, it's not talent, it's not luck. It's your attitude, the way you think, the way you react, and the way you see the world. Attitude is like the engine inside your heart. If the engine is strong, you keep moving. If the engine is weak, you stop before you ever reach your destination. Let me start with a story. There was a young man who wanted to learn English. Every time he tried to speak, he felt nervous. His tongue felt heavy, his mind felt empty, and he thought everybody was judging him. One day, he tried to speak to a tourist. He opened his mouth, and nothing came out. He walked away feeling embarrassed and disappointed. That night, he thought, maybe English is too hard for me. Maybe I should stop. But the next morning, something changed. He said to himself, what if I try one more time? What if I don't give up? That simple thought, that tiny attitude, changed his life. He started practicing every day. He watched videos, listened to songs, repeated sentences, and talked to himself in the mirror. Slowly, his confidence grew. Months later, he had another chance to speak to a foreign visitor. This time, he spoke, not perfectly, but bravely, and that moment became the start of his fluency. What made the difference? Not magic, not intelligence, not luck. It was attitude, the decision to keep trying even when things were difficult. Now, let me tell you another story. There was a woman who grew up in a very poor neighborhood. She didn't have many opportunities. Many people around her said, dreams are for rich people, not for us. But she had a different attitude. She believed that her life could change if she changed her mindset. She decided to learn English because she believed it would open new doors. Every night, after work, after cooking, after cleaning, she studied for just 15 minutes. Some days she was tired. Some days she wanted to sleep. But her attitude said, just a little more. Years later, she got a better job, traveled for the first time, and became the first person in her family to speak English. She didn't have the best conditions, but she had the best attitude. And that attitude changed her entire life. Stories like these are everywhere. People become successful not because life is easy, but because they stay strong when life is hard. And you, yes, you watching this video have the same power inside you. You can grow. You can improve. You can change your life, step by step, one decision at a time. Let's make things simple. Attitude is the voice inside your head. Sometimes it says, I can do it. Sometimes it says, I can't. The voice you choose to listen to decides the direction of your life. When you make a mistake in English and your attitude says, it's okay, I'll try again, you grow. When life pushes you down and your attitude says, I will stand up, you become stronger. When someone doubts you and your attitude says, I believe in myself, you become unstoppable. Now, let me share a personal style story, one that many people can relate to. Imagine a student named Daniel. Daniel wanted to speak English fluently because he dreamed of traveling and meeting new people. But every time he practiced, he felt slow and confused. He watched others speak easily and thought, why is it easy for them and hard for me? He thought about quitting many times. One day, his teacher told him something important. Your attitude is your greatest tool. If you think you can't, you won't. But if you think you can, you will. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but you will. Daniel decided to change his attitude. Instead of saying, "This is hard," he said, "This is a challenge, and I like challenges." Instead of saying, "I'm embarrassed," he said, "Mistakes help me grow." Instead of saying, "I'll never be fluent," he said, "I'm getting better every day." And slowly, he truly did get better. Not because he became smarter, but because he became stronger inside. This is the power of attitude. It shapes your reality. Now let's talk about you again. Maybe you sometimes feel lost. Maybe you feel like life is heavy. Maybe you're learning English, but progress feels slow. Maybe people around you don't support you. Maybe you believe others are better than you. These feelings are normal. Everyone feels them. But your attitude decides what you do next. Some people let fear stop them. Some people let pain break them. But strong people use fear as fuel. They use pain as motivation. They use failure as a lesson. And you can too. You might be thinking, but how do I build a strong attitude? Let me explain in simple English. You build a strong attitude in silence. When you study alone, when you practice quietly, when you choose to read instead of scrolling on your phone, when you repeat words again and again, when you work on yourself even when no one sees you, that is where strength grows. Strong people are not always loud. They are not always confident at first. They don't always show their struggles. But inside, they are growing every day. And one day, their results will speak loudly for them. Remember this: your attitude is like a magnet. It attracts experiences, people, and opportunities. A positive attitude attracts growth, kindness, and confidence. A negative attitude attracts doubt, fear, and weakness. So choose carefully. Let me tell you one more story, a longer one that goes deeper. There was a man who loved running. At first, he could only run for 1 minute. He felt tired, his legs hurt, and he wanted to stop. But he had a strong attitude. He said, "I will run 1 more minute." The next day, he ran 2 minutes, then 5, then 10. After months of practice, he ran his first long-distance race. And people asked him, "How did you do it?" He smiled and said, "I didn't train my legs first. I trained my attitude." This lesson applies everywhere, including learning English, building a dream, or healing from pain. Now, I want you to imagine your future self. Imagine a stronger you, a more confident you, a happier you, a fluent English speaker, a person who doesn't give up easily, a person who believes in themselves, a person who inspires others. That future version of you is already inside you. You grow into that version with every small decision you make. So keep going, keep learning, keep believing. Every minute you spend improving your English makes you stronger. Every positive thought makes you more powerful. Every challenge you face trains your heart to be tougher. And if you are still watching this, it means you have a strong spirit. Most people stop early. Many people quit fast. But you stayed, you listened, and that means something. It means you care about your growth. It means you want a better future. It means you already have the attitude needed for success. So tell me in the comments, what kind of attitude do you want to build? Strong, confident, positive, brave, patient? Write one word, just one, that describes your future self. Your comment might inspire someone else watching this video. Before we end, remember this. Life will always test you, not to break you, but to build you. You may face difficulties, but you will rise. You may feel lost sometimes, but you will find your way. You may fail, but you will grow. And all of this happens because of your attitude. You are stronger than you think. You have survived your worst days. You have learned from your past. You are growing every day. Keep trusting the process. Keep believing in your power. Keep moving forward. Thank you for listening. I'm proud of you. I believe in your journey, and I can't wait to see the strong attitude you build. See you in the next video.